All right, everyone, welcome to another product overview. Today we are checking out the new Ryobi USB Lithium ion battery powered flashlight. This is going to be model number FVL51K. This includes the new 2 amp 4 volt battery, so a little bit smaller than what we're used to. So let's go ahead and get this guy out and open and we'll see what we get inside. Okay, so now that we have everything out of the packaging, let's go over what we get. So as always, you get your instructions for the battery and the flashlight as well as the warranty information. You do get a USB-C charger. It's going to be the USB-C once again without the power brick. So you will have to find an old cell phone charger or another thing that will let you use a USB-A for charging. You get the 2 amp 4 volt battery. It is tiny, but it's awesome. The charging port you will find right here actually. So when it does come to charging, you go ahead and take your cable, plug it straight in. It will start blinking for you at the top to indicate that it is charging. So that's super quick and easy. I do really like that. To give you a comparison, here is a 2 amp 18 volt battery, and this is kind of what you're dealing with size comparison. It's almost the same height, maybe a little bit shorter than the actual insertion piece for the other batteries. And then finally, of course, you get the flashlight itself, your on and off button. So you have 3 modes available to you. You have high, low, and a strobing effect. Nice rubber grip all around, and of course a nice little belt clip. To get your battery in, it's just a screw cap on the back. Battery slides right in, and it can only go one way, so you can't mess it up. Pumps right in, kind of locks into place, and then just screw your cap back on, and you are good to go. To go through your modes, press it once for high, second time again for low, and then again for off. And if you want to do the strobing effect, you just have to press and hold it for about 5 seconds and it will automatically do so. Once it's in a particular mode for about 5 seconds, as soon as you press the power button, it will just turn off. And that pretty much takes care of the product overview here. So let's run outside to the backyard and I'll show you what this little guy can do. All right, so here we are in the backyard. It's about 40 feet across from one side to the other. So if I go ahead and turn the flashlight on and put it on high, you will see that it will actually light up my entire yard. I mean, it's clear as can be out here. This little guy is really churning out some power with the 600 lumens. It'll light up our trees, the neighbor's tree, and the neighbor's neighbor tree. So we're definitely getting some distance with this light. Now since we have had it on for about 5 seconds, if I press the button again, it will shut it off. And once it's off, if you turn it on again, if you do it quickly before the 5 seconds, it will put it on low. So the low output is not as bright, but I mean, I can still see the other side of the fence quite easily. This would be a good mode for power saving to make the battery last longer. And then to demonstrate the strobe effect, once again, you just press and hold for 5 seconds and it will initiate the strobe. And here we are back in the garage, and I will absolutely say, out of all the tools that I have in my toolbox, this one is absolutely one of my new favorites. It's just light, it's simple, it's easy, it's good to use, it's rechargeable. I have absolutely zero complaints about this. I definitely recommend you do pick up one of these for yourselves. As always, if you like the content, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you around for the next product overview.